How to get logged in to Capital One. Hey everyone, and let's get started. If you want to access the Capital One's mobile banking or online banking, here are some of the ways to do it easily. So for the first option, you have to open Play Store and install the latest version of your Capital One mobile banking. Once installed, you will see a login page from where you can give in the credentials and get logged in into mobile banking. If you cannot find it in the Play Store, here's another way to get it as well. For this, just open any of your browser and go to capitalone.com. Now tap on sign in button on the top right corner and you will see another page whereby you'll be directed to get the app page or download the app page. Tap on the button and you will land to the Play Store or the location where you can see the Capital One online banking. If not, click on sign in with online banking, then give in your username and password, tap on sign in and you should be good to go. Likewise, in case you have forgotten, you can reset your password as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.